Moldavite will absolutely destroy your life, but it's important to understand why. So if you look online right now, you'll see people everywhere talking about all the bad things that Moldavite made them do or that caused to happen. And I think the reason because people, one, feed on chaos, which is disturbing to think about in general, but also because we're all looking. Oh, my lip's bleeding. We're all looking for confirmation of, or rather, that Moldavite actually works, right? And for some reason, if everyone came on and were like, "Oh, Moldavite did all these great things in my life," we would discount it for some reason. But if we say, "Oh, I got Moldavite in the same day my grandma died," or "I bought a piece of Moldavite and crashed my car on the way home," for some reason it's easier for us to blame the Moldavite, and for us as consumers of that information to accept it, instead of the fact that, well, grandma might have just been old, or you might just be a bad driver. you know so the real reason it will destroy your life is because Moldavite is trying to set us on the most optimal path to the life or the things that we're wanting to manifest. But the thing people forget is that we have currently this entire life that we've created of things that aren't serving us already established, right? We can't have two lives at the same time being built. One, the old life, has to be dismantled before the new life, the life that we want and we're trying to manifest, can be established. I hope that makes sense to everyone. You can't build a life in place of one that already exists. The old one has to be removed first. So if you're looking to manifest your ideal job, or manifest money, whatever you want to label it as, but you're already in a job that you hate and dislike and aren't happy in, well, doesn't it make sense that for you to manifest the job of your dreams, you need to get rid of the job that you hate? Right? We all on the same page? Same thing if you're looking to manifest your soulmate. All right, that's another big one for people. And you're in a relationship that you're convincing yourself is good, right? But deep down you know it's not, which we've all been there, right? You're not fooling anyone. No one. Right? You make excuses for the person instead of just accepting that maybe they're not the right one, because you're trying to spare yourself the pain and the hardship of having to make that decision. But when it comes down to it, they're not the one, right? Well, again, for you to manifest the person of your dreams, don't you need to get rid of the person that's filling that seat already? That's not the right person? I mean, if they're not the person of your dreams, they are not the right person by definition. Yeah. So that goes for anything. Places you want to live, events in life, whatever, right? So when people come online and just feed on the drama of Moldavite caused their life to explode, one, you're looking for attention. It's not true. And Moldavite can't do anything you do not give it permission to do, because really all Moldavite does is give you like a nagging feeling. Like, man, I really don't think that's the right choice. This isn't the right person. That's not the right job. I shouldn't be here, whatever. And you have to act on it. Moldavite didn't just fall out of the sky and kill your partner. Right? That's not how that happens. You got Moldavite and you started noticing all the things that were wrong in the relationship that you were already in, or in the job you were in, the situation you were in, and Moldavite simply brought it to your attention for you to act on, because it was not in your highest good. That's it. Moldavite helps you notice the things that are not meant for you, for the life that you want, so that you can dismantle them and build the things that you do want. Yes? So, I hope that made sense, guys. If you have Moldavite already, and you've been buying into all the fear online that it's going to destroy your life, don't listen to it. Pull it out, work with it. It can't do anything that you don't give it permission to do. If you don't have a piece and you want a piece, go to your local crystal shop, or if you would like, I sell it. I'll leave the link below. It's up to you. But I would encourage you all to try and work with it. I mean, I do every day for years. I'm still alive. So, hope this helps, guys. If you enjoyed it, I make a lot of other Moldavite content. A lot. I would ask you to consider subscribing. And, yeah, see you guys in the next one.